Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to clean your Jeep Compass AC filter. Maintaining this filter is crucial for good air quality and efficient air conditioning. We will go through the simple steps of locating, removing, cleaning, and reinstalling your cabin air filter. You will need just a few basic tools, like a small vacuum cleaner and a soft brush, to complete this quick maintenance task in about 15 to 20 minutes. Let's get started. First, open your glove box completely. On the right side, you will find a small dampener arm. Gently unclip it. Next, press inward on both sides of the glove box to release its stops, allowing it to swing down further. This reveals the filter housing, typically secured by two small clips. Unclip these, and then carefully pull the old cabin air filter straight out. Observe its condition. It might be quite dirty. Now that you have the filter out, it is time to clean it. Start by gently tapping the filter against a hard surface to knock off larger debris and loose dirt. Then, use a vacuum cleaner with a soft brush attachment to carefully vacuum along the pleats, removing dust and smaller particles. Thoroughly inspect the filter for any tears, holes, or signs of mold. If it looks heavily soiled or damaged, it is best to replace it with a new one. With your filter cleaned or replaced, it is time to put everything back together. Ensure the airflow arrow on the filter points in the correct direction, usually towards the rear of the vehicle. Slide the filter back into its housing, then reattach the cover and secure the two clips. Finally, lift the glove box, re-engage the side stops, and clip the dampener arm back into place. You have successfully cleaned your AC filter, enjoying fresher air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.